Good morning, guys. Actually, when you're watching this, it might not be morning, but for us, it's super bright and early. We're catching the sunrise at the beach. I have some content to shoot for a bikini company, so I figured I'd take you guys with me and show you poses that I do that make me feel confident and that turn out all right for Instagram or for brands when I'm modeling for them. And I also want to note that I am a mid-sized girl. I'm a true medium, so these poses, if you're not petite, don't worry. Actually, if you're not petite, or if you are, you can pose however the hell you want and you will still look good. These poses just make me feel confident, so I figured I'd show a couple of them to you. So yes, I'm in a sweatshirt. This is actually a prop. Let's get started. Alright, so the first pose, like I said, this is actually a prop. I'm shooting for this bikini company, but I want to make it kind of authentic, kind of sleepy in the morning since it is the sunrise. So what I'm going to do is have my hair facing the camera, and I'm going to pull my sweatshirt up so that it covers my face. You can do this if you just don't want to worry about your facial expression, but I'm going to give it a shot. Let's see what it looks like. So I think this turned out pretty cute. So what we're going to do, another pose that we can do is... Woo! Jelly. Would you call that for me, babe? Thank you. Alright, so we're in... Make sure you remove your hair ties. Pro tip. Alright, so this is the bikini, so I want to make sure that it's fully kind of showcased. So what I would have is my photographer, I put my camera kind of lower, and I would be taking up most of the frame and kind of lean over. This can stretch your body out a little bit. And you can see I'm kind of like this. And I would lean over the camera and kind of pick my foot up and play towards it so that I'm staying stretched out. Alright, so let's see what it looks like. Okay, so my next one is my go-to. You'll see it all over my Instagram. And I'm actually, oh, the sun's coming out. This looks perfect. So I'm gonna go towards water a little more and show you what we're gonna do. So come on. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is just kind of, we'll call it the peachy cane. So you're gonna just look back over, and this is gonna accentuate our bones. So what I suggest you do is kind of pull up the hips of your bikini. Kind of gives your legs a longer effect. Makes your peach look a little slow. Alright, so and then you're gonna look back over your shoulder, kind of like this. Another one that I'm gonna share with you guys. This one I really love too. You'll see it on my IG. It's reaching up to help elongate your stomach. You know, that's more of like an insecure area. Kind of stretch it out, reach for the sky, and or reach for the stars, whatever's up there. Reach for it, and it kind of stretches your body out and kind of looks really natural. But another pro tip: whatever you do, don't stop moving, and have your camera just on timer, or have your photographer just shooting constantly. All right, let's do it. Okay, another one that I love doing, it kind of plays on the fact that you have to keep moving and keep your body flowing. Because if you're like this, I mean, it's a cool dance move, yeah, but in photos it won't turn out well. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just put our foot forward and on our tippy toes, stretch it out. It kind of makes your legs elongated, stretches out your body, and gives you cute, like little sporty, candid, casual looks. All right, so let's try it. Alright, so another one that I'm going to have to get in probably the chilly water for is just a sort of like squat look. This one is more Sports Illustrated swimsuit edition, so let's go do it. Come on. Alright, so the sun is full out now, so I kind of want to capture it and then block it with my body to get two different types of something on the lens. Two different types of images. Alright, so let me get in the shade there. Okay, so what we're gonna do is actually sit in the water, but not sit flat, not sit crisscross applesauce, but we're gonna kind of stand on our knees a little bit just to stretch your body out It will feel weird, but it will look great, I promise. Okay, another, and probably our last one is grab a prop. Just like my other posing video, props are so important and help you like do things with your hands, because I know a lot of people have a problem with that. So this prop, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play with it and have like candid pictures taken. So I'm gonna do that walking pose. I'm gonna like sit on my hips, sit on either side, and just honestly have fun with it. I'll maybe take it off and hold it over my face, just to showcase the swimsuit, but also just like, this is my body and I'm proud, okay? So let's try them. Alright guys, that is all I have for you right now. The sun is completely out. It looks beautiful. It's still kind of that golden hour, so I might try maybe get a couple more pics, but I think we are set. I wanted to share this with you because I do this a lot. I shoot products for a lot of brands on my Instagram, and it's pretty easy. Like, anybody can do it, and I wanted to show you some of the go-to moves that I do that I hope you guys will try out if you're out taking some photos in a bathing suit. I know it's a really vulnerable way to take photos. It's like one step away from being actually naked. But you know, I hope these moves will boost your confidence and help you get those pictures that you don't look awkward in. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. Alright guys, thank you so much for being here. If you like this or if it helped you, make sure you let me know by giving it a big fat thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't yet. That's all I have for you. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.